In this tutorial I'll be showing you some tips and tricks for sculpting meshes. Mostly use sculpting when making organic meshes or when making high poly hard surface meshes. Then you can also definitely use that to create scratches and more detail. So first off, what you want to do is of course subdivide your mesh a bunch of times to just give yourself more geometry to work with. If you didn't, then you'd have a lot of issues because it wouldn't have enough geometry to support any sculpted details. So now we go into sculpting, and what we want to do is we want to turn on Dyntopo, like right down here. Then you simply ignore the warning, as always, and you set it to from relative detail to constant detail. Then you simply set a higher number or however you wish. Let's go with 10 for this example. And now it will create detail whenever you're sculpting, meaning that you don't have to worry about subdividing in specific spots because it just automatically creates detail. Now this can be very demanding on your computer if you set a higher value on the resolution. Yet it's definitely worth it if you are sculpting a lot. Then another very useful thing is the symmetry function. As the name implies, once you set the x-axis, for example, whatever you do on one side will be mirrored to the other side. Like for example right here, I'm sculpting on this side. Let's turn all of them off. I'm sculpting on this side, and tada, it simply projects on the other side as well. This is very useful, especially when you don't have a lot of time or have a completely symmetrical sculpted mesh. For organic things, this can be pretty useful, yet having some imperfections in symmetry makes them look much more natural. So use it wisely.